Well, in this session we are going to talk about the area of triangle in two-dimensional geometry using determinants. Well, in earlier classes we have studied the formula. If the coordinates of 3 points A, B, C are given, then the formula to find the area of triangle is half of x1 multiplied by y2 minus y3 plus x2 multiplied by y3 minus y1 plus x3 multiplied by y1 minus y2. It was very simple. 1, then in cyclic order 2, then in cyclic order 3, then again 1. So x1, x2, x3, 1, 2, 3, y2 minus y3, 2. After 2 it will be 3, 3 minus 1. Likewise 1 minus 2. If I take a negative sign common from the middle term only, so this will give me half x1 y1 minus y3 minus x2 times of y1 minus y3. This will become positive and this will be negative, plus x3 times of y1 minus y2, and this expression can be expressed as a determinant which includes x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, half of this. See, if you try to expand it along first column, you are going to get this quantity. See how half, then x1 multiplied by y2 minus y3, x1 multiplied by y2 minus y3 minus x2 minus, since the cofactor of the plus minus plus, so minus x2 times of, you eliminate this, y1 minus y3 plus x3 times of y1 minus y2. So this is a simple formula for area triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is modulus of half of the coordinates of first point x1 y1 1, then the coordinate of second point x2 y2 1, the coordinate of third point x3 y3 1. So now, since the area is considered to be positive quantity, so we always take the modulus of, and that is the absolute value of the determinant. But if we are given the area, if area of the triangle is given, if the area of triangle is given, then we will use both positive and negative value, because if we try to find the area and the numerical value of this determinant come out to be negative, then we consider that the area is positive. So here, when the area is already given, then we will use both positive and negative values of the determinant, and we will simply use the modulus sign and the problem will be solved. And area of triangle formed by 3 collinear points. If 3 points are non-collinear, then the area must be a positive quantity, but if 3 points are collinear, that means the area of this triangle ABC must be 0. So this is the most important point. Area of the triangle formed by 3 collinear points is 0. If we try to find the area of the triangle formed by 3 collinear points, then it's going to come out be 0. Let's talk about it. The very first question of exercise 4.3 is find the area of the triangle. It has 3 parts. Find the area of triangle with vertices at the point given as follows. The first point say A is 1, 0. The second point is B, say 6, 0, and the third point say C is 4, 3. Find the area of the triangle ABC. So what we do is half the value 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. The first point will be 1, 0, 1. The second point 6, 0, 1. The third point 4, 3, 1. Half of the value is 1. You can expand it along the second column, because second column contains 2 0, but we can do along row 1. So 1 multiplied by along 1, this is 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3, minus times of 0 plus 1 time of, when we eliminate this, 6 3s are 18 minus 0, 18 minus 0. So here half, this is minus 3 minus 0 plus 18, that is nothing. 18 minus 3 is 15. So 15 by 2 square units. Do not forget to write square units, though we do not know what are the units, but the area must be in square unit. So we can solve all the three parts, find the area of triangle whose vertices are given. Simply replace the first point here, second point here, and third point here, and evaluate the value of this determinant. Well, the second question says, show that the points A, comma B plus C. Now B, this is A point, and B, comma C plus A, and the point C, comma A plus B are collinear. If we try to find the area of this triangle ABC, and if the area is triangle ABC is 0, then we can say that the points are collinear. If the 3 points are collinear, then the area of triangle is 0. If the area of triangle is 0, then the 3 points are collinear. If the 3 points are collinear, then obviously area is 0, and if area is 0, that means the 3 points are collinear. So here we are given 3 points. In question second, we have to prove that these 3 points are collinear. Now we try to find the area of triangle ABC. Half of first point AB plus C1, AB plus C1. Second point BC plus A, BC plus A1. The third point C, comma A plus B, so C, A plus B, 1. Now you can see here A, then B plus C, so A, B and C, B, C plus A. Here C is missing, so C is here. If you try to add these two columns, that is if you apply C1 becomes C1 plus C2, it will give you simply A plus B plus C here, also A plus B plus C here, also A plus B plus C here. There is no change in C2 and C3, so this is B plus C, C plus A plus B, 1, 1. Now what you do is, you take A plus B plus C common from column 1. So A, half of A plus B plus C, 1, 1, 1. B plus C, C plus A plus B, 1, 1, 1. Since these two columns are identical, so the value of this determinant is 0. So what you do here is, you simply write here C1 and C3 are identical, so the value is 0, or simply you apply C1 becomes C1 minus C3. As soon as you apply C1 becomes C1 minus C3, this minus this 0, this minus this 0, this minus this 0, 0, 0, 0, B plus C, C plus A plus B, 1, 1, 1, it's 0. Now, since the area of triangle ABC is 0, so the points are collinear. See, if the points are collinear, then the area is 0. If the area is 0, then the points are collinear. Well, now there is a question here we have taken, find the equation of line joining 2 points. Now how we can find the equation of line joining 2 points using determinants? See, we have a formula to find the area of triangle, that is half times of determinant x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, and we are to find the equation of line joining 2 points using determinants. See, we are to find the equation of line joining points A and B. Here A point is of 1, 3 and B is 0, 0. Let Px, y be a general point on line AB. Simply, if A is this point and B is this point and Px, y is on the line, then the points A, B and P must be collinear. If P is any point on line AB, then these are collinear, and if 3 points are collinear, then the area of triangle must be 0. So area of triangle ABP is equal to 0. Now area of triangle ABP is half the point A is here 1 comma 3, so 1 3 1. The second point is B, that is 0 0, so 0 0 1. The third point is P, that is x comma y, so x comma y comma 1. This must be 0, and this will give us the relation between x and y, that is the equation of the line AB. This P is a general point which lies on this line, so the equation is simply half. We multiply both the sides by 2, so this will give simply 1 times of, or half, let half 1 times of 0 minus y minus 3 times of, expanding along row 1, 3 times of 0 minus x, 0 minus x, plus 1 times of 0 minus 0. So this gives us half of minus y plus 3x plus 0 is equal to 0. Multiplying both the sides by 2, we get minus y plus 3x is equal to 0. That is, y is equal to 3x, which is the required equation of line. So if we need to find the equation of any line joining two points, what we consider is, let P is a general point on this line, so the area of triangle APB must be 0, because if P is on this line, that means these are collinear. If 3 points are collinear, then the area of triangle must be 0. With the help of this, we find the equation of line joining any 2 point. Our question number 4 is similar to this. Find the equation of line joining the point 1 comma 2 and the point 3 comma 6 using determinant. So our A is 1 comma 2 and this is 3 comma 6. Let P is a general point, so P APB is equal to 0. You will get a relation between x and y, and that will be the equation of the required line. The second part of fourth question is same. Find the equation of line joining 3 1 and 9 3 using the determinants. Right? We have to find the value of k so that D k comma 0 is a point such that the area of triangle ABD is 3 square units. A here is 1 comma 3, B here is 0 comma 0, and D, find the value of k if D k comma 0 is a point such that the area of triangle ABD is 3 square unit. According to question, area of triangle ABD is equal to 3 square units. Well, area of triangle, that is half C. If area is given, use both positive and negative values of determinant for calculation. If area is given, area is 3 square units, so we will use both positive and plus 3 and minus 3, or simply if you put the absolute value sign here, half of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, half the determinant is equal to 3. So for removing this determinant sign, this determinant will either be equal to plus 3 or be equal to minus 3. So half of this determinant is equal to either plus 3 or minus 3. See, the first point x1 y1 is 1 3. So 1 3 1. Second point is 0 0 0 1. The third point is k0, so k0 1. Multiplying both the sides by 2, we get 1 3 1 0 0 1. K01 is equal to plus minus 6. Now we can expand along second row or second column because we are having 2 zeros, but as usual we are going to expanding along R1. Expanding along R1. So what we get is 1 times of 0 minus 1. 1 times of 0 minus 0. Minus 3 times of, we will eliminate this, 0 minus k, 0 minus k, plus 1 time of, eliminate this row and this column, so 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 is equal to plus minus 6. This gives us minus minus plus 3k is equal to plus minus 6, which gives us k is equal to plus minus 2. So if the area of triangle ABD is 3 square unit, then the value of k is either plus 2 or minus 2. This is how we use the formula of area of triangle. Note that if you do this question, particular, this is example 18, just before the exercise, find the equation of line. To find the equation of line joining 2 points, what we do is we take a point P, general point P x comma y on the line. What it gives? The area of triangle APB must be 0 because A, P and B must be collinear. And if we are to find the value of some unknown, then while calculating the area, we will take both positive and negative. That is, we must take the absolute value of the determinant so that we can find all the possible values of k. That is how we do. I hope you will be able to do exercise 4.3, which includes area of a triangle in two-dimensional geometry using determinants. We can prove 3-point collinear. We can find the area of a triangle. If we are given 2 points, we can find the equation of line joining 2 points. Thank you.